So, if the infotainment on your Buick Enclave is not working properly and you're wondering how do you fix it, well, there are a few things that you may want to try here. So, first is you want to start by making sure the system has power. Now, inspect the related fuses here, like for example, for the radio, infotainment, and amplifier, and confirm the battery is in good shape as well. Now, a blown fuse or weak battery is often the simplest cause here. Now, also, if the power supply seems fine, do a soft reset of the infotainment system or unit. Now, disconnect the battery for a minute here, or try removing the fuse, and basically, this will clear glitches. Now, some owners actually press and hold the system's power or volume button or the call hang up steering wheel button for about 10 to 15 seconds to reboot. And also, you may want to check behind the unit and under the dash here. Now, you may want to inspect the wiring and connectors. So, in the amplifier area or the speaker wiring looms for loose connectors or dampness or corrosion. So, moisture or damaged wires can often cause the system to fail. And also, sometimes the software inside the infotainment unit is outdated or buggy. So, look for the OEM updates from the Buick or General Motors and ask whether the dealer can apply them. Now, this may resolve unexplained failures as well. Now, if the reset didn't fix it, the wiring or power seems okay, then a module or head unit or amplifier here may be bad. Now, a scan tool can check for communication faults, offline modules or internal errors here. Professional diagnosis is recommended here moving forward. Now, while waiting to get it fixed, be aware that the infotainment components like radio, navigation, Bluetooth, and backup camera might be unreliable, so avoid relying on these features for critical tasks and drive with extra awareness. But that's about it. So, hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.